Can a tree make you accept the reality of death? Well, the story of the strangler fig did it for me. And it's the story of a murder, but also of a life giver. It's such a compelling paradox to strap in with the story of the strangler fig. Strangler figs are true mothers to a forest. Gigantic with the ability to grow up to 30 meters. They're like towers of hope for forest creatures. How? Like a mother would they provide shelter. Their hundreds of holes and crevices make them the perfect places to rest for animal creatures from birds, bats, reptiles, insects. And like a mother would, they provide peace. During heat waves, they cool off the area around them. And during storms, a sanctuary. Like a mother would, they also feed, with their fallen body parts no less. When their barks, branches, leaves fall and shed to the soil, they turn into compost, nutritional food for these younger plants to grow around them. Their fig fruits are also food for birds, bats, monkeys, and more. They shelter, they feed, they provide peace. But first, to do all those things, they had to kill. Have you ever thought why these trees are named the strangle figs? The answer is in the name itself. Yes, they quite literally strangle. You see, unlike most traditional trees, these trees don't grow from soil to seed to sapling, and then they grow up into a tree, but their life actually starts from above the skies. Often, a bird, monkey, or a bat would drop their seed after eating the fruits. That seed grows into a small plant above that tree before their roots grow downwards, making their way to soil, and as strangle figs continue to grow downwards, they fully wrap and enclose the tree that they were just once a guest on, and end up completely overtaking it. This causes the original tree to die, or in cases of survival, they live fully enclosed inside the bigger strangled fig tree. If I were to put myself in the shoes of the strangled tree by the strangled fig, I would say that death would be suffocating. Death came from outer force that I couldn't control, seeping in slowly before completely overtaking me, and I couldn't do anything even though I tried hard to fight it. But in this life, am I a mere singular body, or am I also the whole world and the whole ecosystem around me? If I looked at life from that other side, I would be so satisfied that I was able to give even though it was through my own sacrifice. But that perspective would not come from my own ego, but the bigger scale of life. Ever since I learned this story about the strangle fig, I became so much more at peace with death. Because even if I die without accomplishing everything I wanted to, it doesn't matter. I'm a vessel for the bigger ecosystem around me, the people around me, and my life, what I did, will still be useful even after my death. But that usefulness is not a guarantee. Because a strangle fig has better chances of survival and growing bigger if the overtaken tree was a healthy, prosperous one. And it's a reminder that the better person I am, the better chances I am to become useful to those around me before and after my death. It's a reminder that I ought to water my tree, my body, my core, not to be the grandest, tallest tree of them all, but to be the best vessel of the life that starts around me and after me.